Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. ये simple to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है. Easy to follow, slow and controlled body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो सर्कल्स. So go ahead and put your fingertips on your shoulders, elbows touching each other. Lift up to make a big circle and bring your elbows to touch again. इसकी हम करेंगे 8 repetitions. Opposite. And relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला स्ट्रेच है shoulder stretch. Interlock your fingers. Take a deep breath in. Lift your arms up. And relax. Deep breath in as you lift. Breathe out as you relax. इसकी भी करेंगे 8 repetitions. And relax. आज की हमारी अगली मूवमेंट है scapular retractions and extensions. Go ahead and bring your arms straight out in front of you. Try to keep your elbows straight. Take a deep breath in as you bring your elbows in, tucked close to your waist and shoulder blades together. Breathe out as you bring your shoulder blades apart. Breathe in and out. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, is wrist rotations. Go ahead and get your hands in front of you, elbows slightly bent and your fists made, and start making circles with your fist. Eight in one direction and 8 in the opposite direction. Try to keep your elbow stable. The only movement should be at the wrist. And relax. अब हम करेंगे कुछ neck के stretches, starting with neck left and right. And relax. Up next, guys, head tilts. and relax. Finally guys, head nods. And relax. Up next guys is cowboy cross good mornings. Go ahead and cross one leg over the other, pushing the knee down, the other hand next to your forehead, and breathe in, keeping your back straight. Breathe out as you drop down. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Let's change it on the other side. And relax. Coming up next guys is sitting oblique twists. Go ahead and lift your arms up, bent at the elbows, hands right next to your temples, and twist as you bring alternate knee up to the chest. And relax. Up next guys is sit to stand. So go ahead, feet as wide as your hips and your shoulders. Deep breath in as you stand and out as you sit. And relax. Up next guys is wide angle calf lifts. Go ahead, open your toes on the out. Keep your hands onto your knees, lean forward, putting your body weight onto your knees. Lift your heel up and down. Breathe in as you lift it up. Breathe out as you lower it down. And relax. Finally guys, we will do our toe pull-ins, two extensions. Get your legs straight out in front of you. Hands on the side to balance. Push your toes down and pull them in. Down and in. 8 repetitions on each side. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat this circuit at least one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन्स. सो गाइज, आज का हमारा फर्स्ट आसन है ऊर्ध्वासन, ऑल्सो नोन एज हाफ फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड पोज। इसे हम करेंगे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में। सो गो अहेड एंड स्टैंड with your feet as wide as your shoulders, knees relaxed. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you lower down, keeping the back straight, resting your hands on the knees, on top or below. The important thing is that your back and your legs should stay straight in this asana. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in and relax. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है भद्र आसन, ऑल्सो नोन एज ग्रेशियस पोज। इसे हम करेंगे सीटेड पोजीशन में। गो अहेड एंड सिट डाउन। फोल्ड योर लेग्स अंडरनीथ। टू कम इनटू द आसन, ओपन योर नीज as wide as you can and relax. This is your gracious pose, also known as Bhadra Asana. Alternatively, you can lift your fingers, interlock them and hold them behind your head. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सुप्त कपोट आसन, ऑल्सो नोन एज द सुपाइन पिजन। एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इसे हम करेंगे सुपाइन पोजिशन में। सो गो अहेड एंड लाई डाउन ऑन योर बैक। Keep your legs bent at the knees. Lift your left leg up, making sure the leg stays parallel to the ground. Cross your right leg over the left. Interlock your hands behind your left thigh, pushing your right knee out and hold. Let's change our sides. Supt Kapotasana on the other side. Lifting your right leg up, crossing your left leg over and holding it in. Keep your left knee pushed out and right knee pulled in. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा आखिरी आसन है भुजंगासन, also known as the cobra pose. इसे हम करेंगे prone position में. So go ahead and lie down on your belly. Hands underneath your shoulders. Heels touching each other. Take a deep breath in as you lift your torso halfway up, keeping your elbows half bent, shoulders relaxed, elbows tucked in and heels touching each other. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. सो गाइज, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स। आई होप यू एंजॉयड देम। अब हम करेंगे आज की कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है भ्रमरी प्राणायाम। इसको आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 मिनट्स तक। सो गो अहेड एंड पुट योर इंडेक्स फिंगर ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर eyebrows on the forehead, 3 fingers to close your eyes. and use your thumbs to plug your ears. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose with an M sound. And relax. आज का हमारा आखिरी प्राणायाम है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, also known as alternate nostril breathing. इसे भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 minutes तक. Take your right hand thumb and block your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left, blocking the left nostril, out through the right. In through the right, out through the left. इस साइकिल को रिपीट करें. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you enjoyed. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Please subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.